Indianapolis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Clinton County, northeastern Boone County, west central Hamilton County until 3:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:55 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Lebanon, or 14 miles south of Frankfort, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Lebanon and Ulan around 3:05 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations in the path of this severe thunderstorm include Sheridan and Kirkland. This includes Interstate 65 between mile markers 136 and 144. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: Boone, Clinton, and Hamilton.